Yo people, just excuse my hair right now, but I just come across this thing where I have to just put this out there quick, you know what I mean? Cause enough people posting this all over Facebook, all over Instagram, all over Twitter. Is it about Usain Bolt donating $10 million to Haiti? Is it? Now, me being the type of guy I am, I was gonna make a video on this, bigging up Usain and say, you know what I mean? Like, yo, do you think Usain go over there, oversee the project, make sure so the money actually go into the country, you know what I mean, and go back into to building up the communities. But me, I don't really like to read a headline and run with that, is me? So I have to do my own research. I went online, try to find one or two things out. Turns out the website that actually released this information is a known hoax website, you see me? So basically I have the Daily Mail News, right? I actually thought that was the website I went on until I saw this report. So this website mimics the Daily Mail's URL, right? So they called, I'll put it across the screen. It's Day Onely Mail. You see me? What they actually do, create these fake stories, and then you go on their website and they generate, web traffic, and then people might click on ads and they get revenue from that. You see, people might go on there, subscribe, do whatever, rate it, they get their views, them happy, fooling the world at the same time. So it's just to stop everybody in their trap. Haiti got hit with an earthquake 6 years ago. Look how much hundred of million them raised that, and them still struggling to come back up, you know what I mean? So where all that money gone? This is why I don't really like to donate to these organizations, because you never know whose hand touched this money, you know what I mean? You don't know who taking a cut from this, who taking a cut from that. I don't trust it unless I'm there myself and I could see the money being put into action, you know what I mean? And things being resolved. But big up Usain, big up everybody that's actually trying to donate and trying to help and trying to spread awareness, you know what I mean? Not only for Haiti, but for Jamaica, for everywhere that's been affected by this hurricane. Yeah man, just make sure you guys investigate, you know what I mean? Just don't run with a headline. Find out the facts, and then, you know what I mean? You don't look fooled. Yeah, I know. Where's the dialogue?